I'm just on my way to the chiropractor. My beautiful wife is on the way to the train station. She's having a little holiday. The girls. It's a girls' weekend in Toronto. So she gets together with a couple of friends, and I have no idea what they do. I don't care what they do, as long as they have fun. And yeah, so I'm a bachelor for the next few days, which is great. I'm probably just gonna eat meat and relax. All seriousness, I've got a lot of work to do to get things ready. I gotta get that little boat ready, get that wired up and get it ship shape. I also have some work to do to the Volvo. Well, just went to the chiropractor. Everything is good. I just checked the time. Heidi should be boarding her train, heading off to the big city. She's gonna have a lot of fun. Oh, I'm gonna have fun too. Don't know about Kat. We'll see. Hopefully she behaves. So I'm gonna pop over to Lori's Fasteners right now and grab a bunch of bolts and nuts and stuff that I'll need for the boat. Everything's closed tomorrow because it's Canada Day, and I better get this stuff so I can finish doing work on the boat. Lori's Fasteners is closed today and Monday and Saturday. Oh well, we'll have to go to Plan B. That means Home Depot. Or I could go to FACA. Well, let's go to FACA. They should still be open. They're not that far away. Hopefully they give me stainless steel. Hey, good. Nice and cool in here, eh?
Oh, tell you, I'm not leaving until they close.
Yeah. Well, I got what I needed from FACA Fasteners. So let's, I expect it's all going to work. It looks like it's stainless. FACA sold me a cable that wasn't stainless once, and that was a big pain in the butt dealing with that. Well, I am home. I've got a few things to do. One thing I was hoping to do was get this computer going, but this won't boot. I think I've got a corrupted hard drive, and yeah, it's too bad. So I've got to find, I got to find somebody to do some computer work for me. I need Windows 7 on a computer, or Windows XP Pro. Either way, I need that type of computer stuff done. I need to put my Volvo, I forget what it stands for, but the Volvo scanner program on. Needs to go on the computer so I can scan the car. I thought I'd come out here and take a look at our battery here. This is the Volvo battery. It had died. 13.17. Good stuff. Well, that turned out rather well. gob of solder on there, gob of solder on there. I'll be attaching the power coming off of the, or the ground, sorry, coming off the fuse panel to here. Here's an example of how this is going to sound. It's not very loud at all. Happy with that. They'll be up on the wall. Okay, that's good. I'm in the Volvo now. One of the things I'm going to do is put LED lights in here. See that? That's not bright enough for me, so I've got a brighter one. I'm going to put that little one in where the map light is. Same thing on the other side. There we go. Now I gotta get this other little one in there. I will need a tool for that. I was hoping to do more to the car today, but it's starting to rain and there's a forecast of more rain to come. So that's not very handy for working on the car. Okay. That's much brighter. Look at that. What is that? Is that a parasitic draw? I think I found a parasitic draw. That light's off. Now it's on. Now it's off. That's not supposed to happen. I'm going to leave that map light out. I'll do the other side first. First, I got to roll down these windows. Wow, it's loud in here. That just doesn't make any sense to me. I think I need my voltmeter, because that is some crazy stuff. That is weird. Weird, weird, weird. We're in the Suzuki now. That might work. We'll see. Might not. Well, I'm kind of stuck. I can't work underneath the Volvo because it's raining, or it's going to rain later. One of the things I have to do is install these under there, under the back. I also want to change that brake fluid. So I can't do that. And now I'm at a loss here in the shop, or in the garage, because I can't continue building things, because I've got everything built, it just has to be installed. But again, rain. So what am I gonna do? Decided to come in. I'm gonna make myself a healthy supper. Hamburger helper. The only time I can eat this junk is when the girls aren't here. So I'm adding some other stuff to it. That's celery, anise, and onions. I'm going to chop up that red pepper as well. Throw it in. I'm going to let that soften up, and then I'll brown the meat.